Let us look at how to draw this. Draw the example number 4. It says here, figure 4 below shows the front view and the top view of two cylinder pipes intersection at a right angle. Then they're asking us to draw to scale 1:1 the given views. Determine the curve of the interpenetration by computing the front view. So if you look at the sign that is given to us, it looks like it's a third angle orthographic projection. That means that they've given us the front and the top. The top is the one on top, and then the front is the one below the top. Okay, now let's draw the given view. So the first thing that we start with, center line. You guys know. Center line. Okay. The front view is 85, the height of it. So if I have this as a, if I have that as a starting point, and my 85 is there, I'm just going to draw. Lines doing that, and lines doing that. Okay. I only have the height there. Then my diameter here is 60. Now I'm focusing on the top view, 60. That means my radius is going to be 30. So, okay. What? So might as well draw the center line there. Okay. Then transfer my lines from there going down, from there going down. Right. Then they say to us our branch pipe is 35. So let's measure 35 there. Now the cylinder right there, it is a diameter of 40, so we're going to look for a radius of 20. Radius of 20 right there. So what I do here, I also need to do here. So if they did not give us anything, so that means we need to find the center right here. Okay. So 85, how do I find the center of 85? All I have to do is just to do this. And I get the total length. Okay, then I arc anywhere there. Then I arc anywhere there. Just to get the center. And there. How about the center? There's that. Now let's go back here. Actually, let's just measure 25. No, 20, sorry. I'm measuring 20. Okay. So from there to there. Okay. So I'm just measuring 20 there. Okay. Then now let's just darken our given view. See, is it a boo there? The double lines there. Okay. Right. Now we have our front view and the top view. Now the first thing that we need to do in order for us to actually get the line of penetration, we need to divide this half circles into 12 equal parts or 6 equal parts. Okay, let's see, that is 20. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to this half the circle here, arc anywhere this side, arc anywhere this side where they meet with the half circle. Then I come here, then I'll arc anywhere here, then I come this side, and then I arc anywhere there. Now let's start numbering. If I start numbering from here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If my 0 and my 6 is here on the top view, that means my 0 and my 6 is going to be here. Now let's also arc this side. Okay, and then I move here and I arc there. I move this side and I arc there. Now with the numbering, like I said, 0 and 6, if they're here, my 0 and 6 is going to be in the center. If my 1 and 5 is going to be there, that means that's going to be my 1 and 5 this side, 1 and 5 that side. Then if my 2 and my 4 is here, that means my 2 and my 4 is going to be there. And then lastly, if my 3 is at the center there, that means my 3 is going to be here. Now all these lines are going to be joining each other. And all I need to do is to take them down. Okay, and then this side as well. Right, now all these are construction lines. Now let's look at my 0. My 0 is there where it touches the circle. Where it touches the circle, I'm going to draw a line here. So my 0 where it touches the circle is going to meet the 0 right there in the center. Then we go to my 1. My 1 where it touches the circle, let's move it this side. Where my 1 is, where it touches the circle, it touches it there. Where's my other one? And then also touches this side. Now let's look at where my 2 is. My 2 is right here. Now where my 2 touches the circle, I'm taking it and it's going to meet the 2 there. It's also going to meet the 2 this side. And then I look at my 3 is in the center where it touches the circle. Then it's going to join the 3 this side, and then it's going to join the 3 this side. Then all I need to do, I need to get my flexicurve. So this is how my flexicurve looks like. I just get it so that I can get straight lines. So make sure that I put it on the dot. Okay, and from this side, and there you go. And there you go. That is how our line of penetration will come out. Okay, so if they don't ask you to draw in any dimensions. Don't draw any dimensions. It's only if they ask you to add in the dimensions, you shall add it in. And that is basically how our drawing looks like.